Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Of course, ang kakainin natin ay sinangag with butter. Let's cook. Here's the rice. Yeah, rice. Butter. Today, without egg. Only fried rice. Of course, I will put this one. Lumalaylay yung sarap ng sarap ko. Okay. Then, of course, ito na yun. Wala tayong ulam. Ito lang ang ulam. Masarap naman ito eh. It's yummy and it's called love. Diba? If you love to cook, sulit naman. Siyempre, we love to cook and it's yummy talaga. Galing sa puso ang pagluluto. Wow, kahit hindi naman kompleto ang recado. Lagyan natin ng bawang. Bawang mindset. Put garlic for my mindset. And of course, since I'm so running so fast, I will go to my work again. And guys, let's eat now. Come and join me. Thank you for